Welcome to Smart EduX. Our mission is to transform the classroom experience by building a digital bridge between student and educator. When the teacher enters the classroom, before starting the lecture, they display a QR code on the digital smart board. Students scan this QR code using the Smart EduX app. After scanning, all attendance data is automatically sent to the central platform and updated in real time without using excessive paper or wasting of time. This process makes the system completely paperless and digital. It saves valuable time for teacher which is otherwise spent on taking attendance and updating record manually. For quizzes, teacher can directly add question into the quiz section and send them to all students with a single click through the app without using third-party application. During result time, teacher can directly view complete performance detail of any student on the same platform. Teacher can also share notes, project, assignments, and study material directly with a student through a common platform. If due to any reason class need to be rescheduled or cancelled, teacher can notify student instantly through the app. Similarly, if a teacher want to take an extra class, they can inform a student directly. The app also includes the features such as group communication, direct faculty contact, and advanced functionalities.
This video demonstrates the complete workflow of a mobile application designed for student and faculty. When the app is opened, user can create a new account or login using their credential. New users register by entering their basic details, while existing user login directly. The app validates user information to ensure secure access. After successful login, the user reaches the dashboard, which acts as the main control center of the app. From the dashboard, a student can mark attendance using a QR code scanning option. The app also allows a student to join quizzes and tests for assessments. Learning resources such as notes and study materials are easily accessible within the app. Additionally, teacher can update important information like leave notices, rescheduled classes, or cancelled lectures. The app also displays database activities and record for better tracking. Overall, the video highlights a smart, interactive, and user friendly academic management system.